All right, what's up, you guys? In this video, we're going to talk about one of our Google Ads clients who does roof repairs. And if you want to see real leads like these on the screen right now come into your inbox like they are for our client, then you're definitely going to want to watch this video. On the screen right now, you're going to see real examples of leads that are filling out the forms on our landing pages and are calling our clients to get their roof repaired. And you'll see real examples of those emails right now on the screen. Now, if you want to see emails just like those, then definitely watch this video. Also, if you want us to do everything for you and set up your Google Ads campaign, your landing pages, and all the conversion tracking, definitely click the link in the description below. You can book a friendly, no strings attached discovery call with us. But with that being said, let's go ahead and go behind the scenes on my computer here within the Google Ads dashboard and talk about the roof campaign, the roof repair campaign, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we are inside of the Google Ads dashboard, and as you can see, we're talking about the roof repair campaign, and we're talking about January 1st to the 31st of 2023. And so right now this campaign is actually paused just because they're booked out for a couple of months and they just don't need any more roof repair leads. So as you can see, they spent $125 per day, and here we can see that they got 753 clicks, with a click-through rate of 6.88%. So about 11,000 people saw our ads, 753 clicked, and each of those clicks costs on average $7.46. Now this panned out to cost them $5,614.47, and it brought them 99 conversions or leads, which we'll talk about in a second. That's a conversion rate of 13.15%. Now each lead cost about $56.71. Now what does that mean? Now a form submission or a phone call to the client is a conversion or a lead. That's all we count. We don't count clicks as conversions or any weird stuff like that. We are very transparent with our conversions. It's only form submissions or phone calls. And we don't track repeat phone calls either. So for every phone call or form submission, it costs on average $56 to generate that. Now let's talk about how many of phone calls and form submissions they actually got. So first time phone calls in January, 44. Click to call extension. We really recommend you guys have that. 20 phone calls from the click to call extension in Google. And then 35 people submitted a form to have the company, our client, reach back out to them. So 35 form submissions. All right, so here are the ad groups that we have in this campaign. So we have roof repair, roofer, roofing companies, and some more roof leak, flat roof repair, shingle repair, emergency roof repair. So the ones that worked best for us were roof repair, roofer, and roofing companies. So as you can see, if we look at the conversions column here on the right, 48 came from our roof repair ad group, 31 came from roofer, and then 12 came from roofing companies. Now, roof repair, that just means like roof repair near me, roof repair companies, roof repair stuff, those types of keywords. You really want to target those in your Google Ads campaign. Those generated 48 leads. So 17 form submissions, 4 plus 27, 31 phone calls from this one ad group. Next best ad group was roofer. So roofer ad group had keywords like roofers near me or just roofer in general, because a lot of people just think of that when they want somebody for the roof, obviously. So first time phone call, 9 plus 16. What is that? I can't do math. 25 phone calls plus 6 form submissions from that ad group. So definitely want to target those types of ad groups and those keywords within those ad groups. So again, roof repair, roofer, roofing companies. All right, so in your guys' Google Ads campaign, we highly recommend you guys have assets, or as formerly known as Google Ad extensions. These really help with your campaign, specifically the ad. The ad in Google will take up more real estate if you have more assets or extensions. So what we recommend is really site link extensions, structured snippet extensions, call out extensions, call extensions, location extensions, replace extensions with assets, if that's what you're used to now. So let's go ahead and talk about the structured snippets. So what you want to choose here is service catalog, and just basically show all of the services that you do. So roof repair, roof leak repair, emergency roof repair. So all of these little service catalogs. This structured snippet will expand your ad just a tiny bit, so that's good. Site links, these will lead to specific pages or specific sections on your landing pages. So on your landing page, you should have a section for our reviews, about us or about the company, about how your service works and your promise or your guarantee, something like that. Those should all be on your landing page. Call out, asset, or extension. These are just things that you want people to know about your company. We recommend these. Quick response time, flexible financing if you offer it, free estimates, licensed and insured. That's really important, especially for roofing companies. And obviously the call extension, this brings in a lot of phone calls, so make sure to have that as well. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want us to do all of this for you, if you want us to set up all the conversion tracking, you want us to create your landing pages, you want us to create all your ad groups and keywords and make sure everything is working correctly, then definitely click the link in the description. Book a friendly, no strings attached discovery call with us, and we'll definitely help you out. My name is Christian Pinedo. I'll see you guys next time.